Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Canva files are not downloading. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure you have a stable internet connection. And we can check this by coming over to File at the top here and clicking Save. And if you get this message saying that all changes are saved, then you can just rest assured that your internet connection is fine. If you get any other message here or the file won't save, then there's likely an issue with your internet connection and you'll need to resolve that before you'll be able to download your files. Also, if you're connected to a VPN, I'd recommend disconnecting from the VPN as this can also cause instability in our connections. And if that doesn't fix the issue, another thing that could be causing this is the size of the project. Now, for example, Canva only allows you 50 video or animated elements on the screen. And if you have more than 300 design elements or images on a page, it also will not let you download. So what I would recommend doing, regardless of how many elements you have on the screen here, is coming over to File at the top and select Make a Copy. Then we can try coming up to Share at the top and downloading like this. If that still doesn't download, then what I'd recommend doing is trying to reduce some of the elements on the page here, especially if you have loads of pages like this. Then I'd recommend splitting these into separate projects. And you can do that just by creating copies of the project and then try saving them in sections. Now, this issue only usually occurs when you have loads and loads of pages here. I mean, if you only have 3 or 4, it should be fine just to download as one. And if you've tried that and that's still not working, another thing I'd recommend doing is just coming over to the 3 vertical dots in the top here and selecting Clear Browsing Data. Now, this is how you do it on Google Chrome. If you're using a different browser, then the steps might be slightly different. And just make sure you have cookies and other site data selected here. Make sure we've selected cached images and files and click on Clear Data. The next thing you need to do is disable any browser extensions you might have running. So to do that, we're going to come back over to the 3 vertical dots, click on Extensions and select Manage Extensions. And then from here, just go ahead and disable any browser extensions that you currently have running. You can do that just by toggling this switch button here. As you can see, all of mine are currently turned off. Then we can come back over to Canva and try downloading our project to see if that fixes the issue. Now, again, if that still doesn't fix the issue, what I'd recommend doing is try using a different browser altogether. So if you're using Google Chrome, you could try Firefox or Internet Explorer. And you could even try on a different device just to rule out an issue with the design or the project itself. And the final thing that you can try doing is coming over to File in the top left here. Come all the way down to Open in Desktop app, and then try downloading the official Canva client for Windows, and then you just need to set that up on your computer, and you should be able to export the project from here. And that's it, guys. If you still are experiencing issues, then please drop a comment below, and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.